Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Are you ready to achieve those chiseled six-pack abs? Look no further because we've got the ultimate beginner's guide to sculpting strong and ripped abs, and the best part? You can do it anywhere. No fancy equipment or gym membership needed. Let's get started. First up, we have the classic sit-up. Lie down on a mat with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground. Place your hands behind your head and slowly lift your upper body until your elbows touch your knees. This exercise targets your upper abs and core. Next, we have the bicycle crunches. Lie down on the mat with your hands behind your head and your knees bent. Lift both legs off the ground and bring your right elbow to your left knee while extending your right leg. Repeat on the other side, bringing your left elbow to your right knee. This exercise engages your obliques, giving you those defined side abs. Now let's move on to planks. Get into a push-up position with your forearms on the ground. Keep your body in a straight line from head to toe and hold this position for as long as you can. Planks are excellent for strengthening your entire core, including your lower abs. Another great exercise for your lower abs is the leg raise. Lie down on the mat with your legs straight and your hands under your lower back for support. Slowly lift your legs up towards the ceiling, making sure to keep them straight. Lower them back down, but don't let your feet touch the ground. Feel the burn in your lower abs. Last but not least, we have mountain climbers. Get into a high plank position with your hands on the ground and your body in a straight line. Bring one knee towards your chest, then quickly switch legs, like you're running in place. This exercise not only targets your abs but also works your entire body for a calorie-blasting workout. Remember, consistency is key. Aim to do this ab workout every day to see results. And don't forget to fuel your body with a nutritious diet. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest workouts and tips. Stay committed, stay strong, and let's sculpt those six-pack abs together.